Hi, my name is Shannon, and I'm the marketing coordinator here at Creative MC. My interest in style and fashion actually stems from my time working in the fashion industry as a teenager. Today, I'm really excited to share with you my favorite trend from our holiday lookbook, Brilliance. What I love so much about this trend is the color palette. We have a mix of really nice icy light blues and some really deep midnight navies. Along with that, we decided to throw in some shimmering silvers and some really nice white accents. What's so great about this trend is that it really emulates the feeling of winter. And with that, a lot of the products I'm going to show you are really great gifts for corporate, clients, or even just events. The first product I'd like to introduce is the Asobo coffee pour over. What's so great about this product is that it mixes high fashion design with functionality. Coming in a number of colors, we decided to go with silver, but any of the varieties would look great in any kitchen space. Not only is this beautiful product 100% BPA free, it's double wall insulated, which means your coffee's going to stay warm for up to 12 hours. The next product I'd like to introduce is the Karst Hardcover Notebook. What I love about this product is that I'm always on the go and I'm always looking for something to write notes in or sketch out an idea. What I love about this is the notebook was made by creatives for creatives, so it's really right up my alley. What's so great about this product is not only does it come in a variety of colors and page layouts, the cover itself is actually waterproof, so it'll absorb and repel moisture as you're trying to jot down your notes. So if you're looking for a product to add to your onboarding kit or welcome back gift on someone's desk, this is the perfect low-tech item. Another product I'm really excited to share with you is the Rumble Original Puffer Blanket. We chose the color Ocean Fade because when you buy an Ocean Fade Rumble blanket, it actually gives back to the Save the Wave coalition. This blanket is great for indoors or out because it combines technical materials from both windbreakers and sleeping bags to create an insulated, warm feel. This is a special gift for our clients who are looking for something a little more eco-friendly. That's because the blanket itself is made out of 100% recycled polyester. The last product I'd like to share with you is the Journey Stemless Wine Glass. What's great about this is its unbreakable design mimics what feels and looks like glass. I absolutely love this product. We actually chose this product for our yearly ESOP party at Creative MC. It comes in a variety of colors, and not only that, it's BPA-free, safe, stainless, and it's eco-friendly, so you don't have to worry about all that plastic waste. This reusable glass is different than other reusables because Journey actually has a lifetime guarantee against breakage and cracks. Thank you so much for watching as I walk you through my favorite trend of Brilliance. I encourage you to go over to creativemc.com to check out our full winter lookbook. We have tons of style ideas, gift ideas, and anything you could need in terms of swag.